Welcome to the Taoglas Design Lab. My name is Emma, I'm on the Taoglas marketing team, and I'm joined today by Lukas from our engineering team. We're here to talk about a product that we're all really excited about internally. It's the Taoglas Inception antenna, which is a GNSS L1, L5 passive dual feed surface mount ceramic patch. So, Lukas, this is the world's first patch-in-a-patch antenna. Can you tell me what went into the design of the product and what makes it so special?
Absolutely. So, as you mentioned, this is a world first, a patch within a patch. Generally, these dual band antenna patches are stacked, so you'll have a smaller patch on top of the bigger patch. But in this case, we actually have the smaller patch inside the bigger patch. So that's actually a dual band patch, a patch within a patch. And this really caused us to try to innovate as much as we can. To push our design principles, our design concepts, pretty much to the limit to be able to integrate that patch within a patch. It reduces the height of a traditional patch by up to 50%, and of course there's a bigger reduction in the weight as well. Much more lightweight than your typical dual band patch antennas.
Okay, excellent. So this antenna really is like the essence of innovation.
Absolutely.
Can you tell me a little bit more about the move towards bands L1 and L5?
Sure. So when GPS launched in the 70s, L1 was the only band that was available. As time and technology progressed, we initially had the L2 band that came online, and now we have the L5 band as well, which is the latest signal that is available. This L5 band has more transmitted power, which allows antennas on the ground to receive the signal more easily. Advancements in the signal itself also help to reject multipath easier. So we are moving towards L1, L5 solutions. This is a big driving factor globally, and when all the L5 satellites are online, we'll have a very comprehensive L1, L5 solution.
Okay, interesting. So the Inception product then is really like a sure way to future-proof solutions and devices for our customers?
Yeah, so L1, L2 has been around for a while, and many customers will have L1, L2 antennas in their products. But the eventual L1, L5 solution will provide better accuracy and better multipath rejection. So yeah, absolutely, future-proofing for that eventuality.
Great, okay. So this is like really a great replacement for anyone that's already using a surface patch mount antenna and they want to move towards L1, L5.
Yes, absolutely, yeah.
Okay. So why was it really important that we designed the Inception antenna?
There's the big reduction in height and weight. That's something we keep seeing over and over again. Everyone wants smaller antennas, lighter antennas for various applications. Not only does this branch into that market, but also it allows us to develop other products in a similar manner. So this is an L1, L5 solution, but other similar L1, L2 solutions are possible now with this innovative design. And as we push our design concepts further, we could get smaller and smaller and smaller with this design as well. So really opening up a whole new area of products that we could develop.
So you said, you mentioned before, that we're really pushing the boundaries with the development of Inception. Were there any key challenges that came up when designing the product?
Yeah, so generally when we design these sort of patch antennas, the RF characteristics are what we design for, and the mechanical characteristics are, I wouldn't say secondary, but it's always kept in mind while we design. In this case, the mechanical characteristics were the driving factor behind this antenna. We wanted a low-profile antenna, something that was lightweight, and that's when the idea of a patch within a patch came up. And then, yeah, like I said, that was the driving factor behind this design.
Okay, and what sort of applications is Inception ideal for?
So any sort of location tracking. The big one we see is asset tracking, also agriculture, autonomous vehicles, any robotics that require location tracking.
Lastly, I suppose, is there anything else that we should know about the Inception antenna?
Sure, so the Inception antenna has 3 feeds, 2 L1 feeds and 1 L5 feed. The 2 L1 feeds would require a hybrid coupler. Our datasheet on our website will provide various integration guides of how to do this. The hybrid coupler combines the 2 L1 feeds into one signal. We also have available a TFM 100B module. So this is a new product. It's a GNSS front-end module. It has SAW filters as well as long-range amplifiers, which amplifies the signal before it gets inputted into the GNSS receiver in your product.
So we're kind of providing the full solution then?
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, look, thank you so much for joining the Taoglas Design Lab today. It was great to speak to you and hear more about Inception. For anyone that's following, thank you so much for joining us. If you want any further information on any of our latest and greatest product innovations, follow us on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and you can always check out taoglas.com.